This helps us which help us to locate particular information on particular websites. A search engine is a website that helps us to locate particular information on particular website. Are we there?
Yes.
Correct. A typical example of such a website is www.google.com. We just deal only with that one. This is a search engine, a most popular one. Most popular search engine. This search engine helps us to locate other information or particular information on other websites that we do not know where they are located.
This search engine?
Yes.
Next.
You are still writing?
Yeah.
I finished since yesterday, you are still copying. So where are you now? I'm not reading from a book, so I may not even repeat it the same. I'm just taking from my head. So where are you? Let me see how to continue.
A typical example of search a website www.google.com. This search engine.
Yes, it's a search engine.
Yeah.
This is the example.
This is an example of a search engine. So whatever I'm saying now is not, you don't need to write it. So, if maybe you are looking for some information, you don't know where to find it. I'll just give an example. You say, like now we have studied Microsoft Word, but
Yes.
you don't understand very well. You may want more notes on Microsoft Word without, you just go to Google.
Yeah.
When you go to the internet, you go to google.com. They will give you a search bar like this. That you type the information you want. Then you have something like a Hans lens here for search.
Yeah.
Now, what do you want? Write it the way you want. Eh?
Every when I watch, you want to watch film.
Good. Okay. Yeah.
And search.
You write here notes on Microsoft Word. Notes on Microsoft Word. You click on this hand lens, search.
Sir,
You are not in Google. She's the only one who can do it now.
I'm
Because
having a
We are over.
you are not having internet. If you had internet, you would have
Sir,
done
is this
this.
also a search engine?
Of course, the search engine there.
I will first type Google here.
No, leave it. You cannot go only this machine that is connected to the internet. Okay, you can type here notes on Microsoft Word. You will see they will bring you.
If suppose I want to research or something.
It is not connected to the internet. You
No,
cannot
first
search.
here I write Google. This.
Yes. It is even here. This is it. If you
Okay.
cannot write it,
I don't know.
here, Google.
Okay, then.
If it is connected to the internet, it will load and go to that home page. Then you have a search bar. It will come with a search bar. You type your information there and you search.
There are lots, sir.
Hmm?
There are lots.
There are lots.
Yeah.
You choose the one you want because each page comes with small notes under. You read those notes. If they
Yeah.
are good for what you really want, you take that one. If it's not really specific, you go to the next one. You see it has the same heading, okay, notes on Microsoft Word. This is here. You learn this is about Microsoft Word. You read all those small notes underneath. If it falls, it satisfies what you really need, you take that one. They will bring. If you need the notes on, let's say PDF, you know PDF format, like Acrobat Reader format, like that PDF that you can easily copy on your diskette.
So where is PDF?
You write here on PDF. You still check the search. They will go. Don't bother about the terms. With terms you get, this is, you have that. You see them here, they have brought you many pages. The first one is buy Microsoft Word Shop. You don't want to buy, you skip that one. Microsoft Word books and manuals, formatting and design. You may use that one. Okay, see another one. This one is from Easy Notes. You have Microsoft Word Notes, and that is what you want. You want notes on Microsoft Word. You take that one, they will bring you notes. So, most of the times you don't even need a teacher if you have your Google on your machine.
So, sir,
Everything.
in Google we will type Microsoft Notes.
Yes.
Then
Then you search, they will bring notes for you from different websites. You now read and you see the one that best satisfies what you want. You take it and you have it. The use of a teacher is just to guide you. The internet is there now for you to have everything that you want. So if you know how to use a search engine, you are very, very confident and okay. Let's move on. These are examples of search engines. Alta Vista Canada, Lagos, Excite, InfoSeek, Hotbox, Google. See, Google is always there. That is what you write. These are pages that help to search more information for you if you don't know the exact location of the information. What I will call the technician. They will try to put the internet on these machines so that we do it practically. Maybe.
and sir, put internet also. This tell him put internet.
That's what I'm saying. I will tell. It's not my job to do it. I'm just a teacher. There are technicians that take care of this other department. So I will notify them. I will tell them only one computer has internet here. They should try for the others to have internet. So that as we see, like it's also to be practical.
We will write this one.
No, it will be too much for you. Okay, if you have a USB drive,
Yeah.
you come, I will give you these notes. Okay. So that is the basic things about the internet. Now, from the internet, you can now do many other things. You can subscribe to sites, you can create email address. You can do that only when we have internet now. I won't go into that, otherwise I will have many questions that I cannot answer. So we have sites that we can subscribe to them to have internet or email access. One of those sites is Yahoo. You can subscribe to Yahoo to gain access to email services. Another one, these are other ones, but I want to use a popular one. We have Gmail.
Yahoo.com or yahoomail.com? Which
All of them, they will give you email services. Once you enter the Yahoo website, you will see the section for email.
How to create email.
Another one is Google. If you enter the Google, it has an option for email, they call it Gmail, okay? So those are the uses of the internet services. Next time we'll see, when we have connection, we'll see how to create emails.
How to create an email?
Yes.
Account.
Uh-huh. You will know when you have internet. For now, only one computer has internet now. That's all we need to know about internet for today. 3 more minutes and it is the end of the lesson. I hope you have benefited something today, even though it's not difficult to come. Yes, question.
We're still going to learn about PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. Have we done PowerPoint? Okay, the class of tomorrow will do PowerPoint.
What is PowerPoint?
Tomorrow. Please don't kill me. Tomorrow you know about it. And PowerPoint will just touch just a bit because to me it's not very important.
PowerPoint.
It's
Hmm?
very important.
Yeah, because we need that.
You know
If
why?
you are on business
Yeah.
and you want to make a presentation, you
Yes.
can get one.
Class will
If
go
you are
out.
working somewhere and you want to make a presentation.
Once you have the tips, not so, you do everything on your own. PowerPoint is just an application of Microsoft Word. If you know Microsoft Word, class. PowerPoint, you just need to know how to set your presentation. But every other thing you create on that page is Microsoft Word. You need to put a text box and type in what you want to do. You need to put an object, you need to put an arrow. What you need to do now with PowerPoint is just to tell us if you want to present it as a slideshow, how those words will come in,
Yeah.
how they will move, the effects, how the image will dance
See,
before
I
coming.
think this
How
one
can
is
you,
good for
how
a
can you
pilot project.
combine the video with the text? Need you
We will see it tomorrow. It's just under insert.
Yeah.
Insert. When you take insert, you are going to see under this ribbon,
yes.
you'll see video. If you have a video stored on your hard disk somewhere or on your USB, you take the show browse. Once you browse, you go and click the video, it will come to your presentation, onto your slide. Okay? Question?
When can this have internet so that you can practice?
Hmm?
Tomorrow we have.
What internet?
Tomorrow.
No, tomorrow we have PowerPoint. We will not do PowerPoint with internet. But our class is ending on Wednesday.
This Wednesday,
Tuesday.
Let me see, what do we have again?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Next, on the
Next
31st.
year.
Okay, but what happens is that we have done almost everything we needed to do. So next week's class is just to start all over and do revision.
It's good.
Because
can I have my exam on 30th?
30th, I will give it online. I will send it to you. Give me your email, I send it to
I
you.
don't have time online, I have lots of audits to
You
do.
have a name?
Okay, you will not be here on,
31st.
no problem.
But,
The exam is not important. Your performance in
Yeah.
class, I already know.
Then,
The important thing is that you master what we are doing. You should know it.
the exam is there, right?
The DD,
Yeah.
I will give it.
Maybe
wala zero.
Yeah, I will give it to them.
No, I think the certificate we get from here, that is important.
That one I don't know. It's the organization.
So we can be.
My work is to teach. If they are going to give certificate, I don't know.
I mean, it works, it helps us to go further.
You will be explaining that to them, not to me. I know as well as I know how important the certificate is. The important thing is you should know it. If you have the certificate when you don't know, they will employ you somewhere and you will not be able to back up yourself. So it's important you know it first. The certificate is not very
But
important.
how we explain to the owner that we are having.
If you know very well, you will have the certificate. Don't bother.